Okay, on this system, we have air blowing on the inside, but it's not. But the AC is not coming on outside. So, let me check my line voltage. I have no line voltage. I'm also going to just now check and see why voltage isn't there. Do I have am I shorted to ground on the motor or anything? I'm not, so. So let's back up. Where should we have power coming from? We should have power coming from the disconnect. No power coming from the disconnect. Let's check our fuses. I mean, no power is coming from the disconnect, but let's just check them anyways. So we have continuity through the fuses. Why is the breaker tripping? We have a 3-ton system from 2008 running on 10 wire, which is fine for 30 amp fuses. 30 amp fuses. Line voltage is here. So the breaker is tripped. Let's go find the breaker. Okay, well, I've reset the breaker. That seems to be good. Sure, my connections are tight. I already tightened them up. They weren't loose. Compressor's running at 11 amps. RLA is 14.7. Uh, 1.15 on the fan. And 1.4 is the RLA on it. Very possible that the breaker just tripped on startup. It doesn't have a start capacitor on there. I'm going to go ahead and recommend a compressor start kit anyways. because it'll help take some of the load off of the starting amps on the compressor. Could also be a weak breaker, so I'll bring that up to her. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add the compressor start kit. She's going to go ahead and do that just to ease the load off of the compressor starting. Told her she may have a breaker that is going bad, but at the same time, it's a new panel. So actually I said if we end up having issues again with this, maybe we should call an electrician and have them come out and take a look at why this circuit keeps tripping, because she said the fuse blew last time and this time the breaker went. Okay guys, well, you know, to me it's always a great day when I can get everybody running. So yeah, pretty good day. Just gonna run the 3 calls today. I am not one to run my ass off all day long running calls, so I'm sure I could have left my leads on and caught more, but as the great Kenny Rogers says, you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Remember that. Okay, guys. Well, good day overall. I did get that last lady up and running, so I feel good about that.